Okay, hey, Cole here from MoneyUrge.com. I found a screen recording system that works really well. It's BSR. BSR. Remember that because it works, and it works well. This is the free version, so obviously it has its own little watermarks in the corners that you can see here. But the pro version comes without those watermarks. So you can change the settings of how you want the display to be. If you want it really clear, you can change it. If you want it fast, then of course you lower the quality of the recording. Uh, it comes with a free video editing software, so when you're done capturing your screen, you can just edit it right away. Everything works really well. I'm very happy with this. It's much better than the last software I used to record my screen. And since you're here and you're watching this video, I'm going to show you another cool trick just as a bonus. I'm going to show you how to record your mouse clicks. A lot of time when you're doing screen presentations, you have to be able to show the audience what you're clicking on. So, in order to do that, click Start, go to Control Panel, come over to Hardware and Sound, come up here to Mouse, go over to Pointer Options, and we want to show location of the pointer when I press the Control key. Click Apply, and click OK. Now, whenever you come across something that you can click on, put your mouse over it, your cursor over it, push the Control key, and you get this groovy little circle so you can show your audience what exactly you are clicking on. Works on all these awesome things too, all your windows. So, exit out of there, and there you go, 2 for the price of 1. How to show mouse clicks and the best screen recorder I found for free. And it actually works. Doesn't have adware, spyware, or that horrible green flashing screen that I showed you last time. So there you have it, BSR. And thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to leave a comment and visit MoneyUrge.com, where you can learn how to satisfy your urge to make money. Thank you.